Hi everyone, welcome back. Today, let's take a look at 3 best S&P transformation that will blow your mind. 아파트 모라게 좀. Starting off, as you can see, we have a client with significant hair thinning and hair receding hairline. Remember, hair loss and baldness don't only happen to men, but to women as well. I begin by working on the hairline, coupling it from the front to the top of the head and blending it with the side sections. With these techniques, I was able to restore a natural hairline and added density where it was needed most. The result? A fuller, more youthful look. Next, check out this client who walked from a previous S&P session, leaving stains on his scar. The hardest part was that he had a tattoo on his head, which I had to remove first. For your information, S&P is very different from a traditional tattoo. The ink and technique are not the same. After a few S&P sessions, the hairline was restored, and the stains from the previous work and tattoo were gone, blending perfectly for a fresh appearance. Finally, male pattern baldness is the most common type of hair loss in men, and I understand the challenges of living with it. My goal is to help you regain confidence you deserve. As you can see, this client had an M pattern of hair loss, which often begins with a receding hairline in an M shape. With Scalp Micropigmentation, we offered a safe, effective, and lasting solution. After a few sessions of S&P, this client's confidence was restored and he now looks more natural and youthful. Just look at this result. Can you imagine how incredible this transformation turned out? Book your consultation today and let S&P transform your look. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell icon for more transformation stories. Diva Masa, kita jumpa lagi.